afternoon, Raiders. We are so excited to be able to be with you this afternoon for our early bird drawing. Thank you to those of you who took time out of your busy days to come down to the advancement office and purchase your tickets. Don't forget, keep your calendars marked for May 17th. That is our Rev Up. We are currently taking reservations for tables, either the table or individual tickets. So many fun things to happen on May 17th. We hope you will join us there. All right, we are ready to pull our $200 early bird winner. Well, here we go. And the lucky winner is Blue Burns. Congratulations. Hope to see all of you on May 17th.